Hello, friends. Ms. Gok here. I am going to walk you through the process of starting to draft your essay body paragraphs. So whether you're working on it on Thursday, Friday, or any day really, you can click on either one of these links and it'll take you to the assignment. So again, obviously we're still working on writing our argument and our essay question has not changed. Should teenagers be tried as adults and incarcerated in adult prisons? So we've gathered our evidence, and we've done that from our monster analysis and from our secondary source. So you must have both completed before starting to draft. You are going to use one body paragraph per supporting reason. And if you see down here, it says there should be at least 2 body paragraphs dedicated to your monster reasons and 1 paragraph about your secondary source. So even though you brainstormed 2 pieces of evidence for your secondary source, you can choose just one to write a body paragraph about. If you want to write a body paragraph about both, you can do that too. But you can just choose your strongest piece of evidence or your strongest reason for a body paragraph. For each body paragraph, you're going to state your reason in your own words. You're going to use at least one piece of evidence from the source, and then you are going to explain how that reason supports your main stance here. So there's a lot kind of working together. I'm going to walk you through how to get to it on class notebook right now. But if you are having trouble and it's saying you don't have permission, you can click this link right here and it'll help you figure it out. So I'm going to sign in the teacher way. Remember, you guys are doing OneNote online. That's going to be the easiest way to go about this. And here we go. So as we get in, you're going to go to the tab that says Essay Materials. And of course, it's going to take me a really long time to load this right now. So as it's loading, I can fill you in. You're going to go to the tab that says Essay Materials. And once you get there, you're going to notice that there are actually 2 tabs that say body paragraphs. This is because you have a choice as to which graphic organizer you would like to use. The first one helps you break it down by sentence, okay? So you start with a topic sentence, you introduce your reason. So what's your reason for saying teenagers should or should not be tried as adults? You're going to introduce your evidence, meaning you're going to tell me what source you got it from. Did you get it from Monster? Did you get it from the secondary source? What's it called? What page number? Stuff like that. Then you're actually going to give your evidence. If you're not sure how to introduce your evidence, you can look into your class resources. There will be a page that has sentence starters. Then you're going to justify your reason, okay? I've got 2 sentences here that should help you kind of think about what you're going to write for your justification. How does reason number 1, so this reason, and your evidence help to support your stance, okay? In other words, how does all of this help you to believe that teenagers either should or should not be tried as adults? Your closing statement is going to summarize your paragraph and leave your reader completely understanding what your point is here. So after I read the body paragraph, I should have no questions as to how this is a good point to support this. You're going to notice you've got 3 of these. If you wanted to write a 4th body paragraph, you could just copy all of this and paste it below. So if this one is more based on what sentence you would write for each, this one definitely has a lot less structure, okay? These are not boxes you can write in, so you kind of have to conjure up your own text box for it, which of course is not going to work for me right now, but I think will work a little bit more on yours. There we go. You're going to have to conjure a text box and write within it. But the idea here is that you can be a little bit more fluid in how you explain yourself, how many pieces of evidence you use per reason. You'll notice there are still 3 reasons here, and your reason will go on this side. But over here, you can kind of choose the order. You can choose, like, are you going to explain, then give evidence, then explain? Are you going to give evidence and then do 2 sentences of explaining? Like, it's up to you. So this one is for someone who maybe doesn't want to follow the exact model that I gave you guys. this one is for someone who would like the structure of how to put their paragraph together. So your choice, but as you're going through, just remember you are trying to prove your main stance here. Should teenagers be tried as adults and incarcerated in adult prisons? I should see more explanation than I do evidence, so also keep that in mind. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, good luck.